survival hunt or something.
Ooh, oh, hi.
I mean, she hit my head. Okay, ready?
He's like, hey y'all, hey y'all, hey y'all. Hey y'all, hey y'all. Why are you still clapping your hands when everyone stops? You look pink on camera. Like so white pink. Like newborn baby pink. No, no. Mine. Ew. You're an idiot. And she gets up and down.
I mean, if I broke this, my life would be over.
Oh my god, please.
Let's see how far I can go before I fall.
Oh my goodness.
Wait.
Okay, I'm still recording, so
Oh, alright, go ahead.
Oh,
That's so cool. Let me try. Well, I just want to try it out, like, see how far. Alright?
Go Sam.
See how far I can get, okay?
Okay.
Very far.
Oh!
Try it.
And Lachlan's turn again.
I mean,
Are you like gonna do like a backflip or something?
how about you land on your arms? Let me try.
how about you do it?
Yeah, they have that like maid thing. Did you see that one where she wanted to be a hip hop dancer and she had to like drop onto her arms?
Yeah. I'm scared. Be like,
Uh-huh. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Ew. What do you?
Knee sweat.
No. Alright, I'm gonna try and catch myself.
I'll
Yeah,
just
I didn't
do
do
it. Don't fall on me.
I really will do it and do that push-up thing. You're twitching. Did you hurt your wrist or something?
Ew.
You guys are having like a little
No, I want myself. Oh, I look like that. Never mind. Oh my god! I'm moving away from the door.
It's my grandma.
Okay. I just hear like scratching at the door.
Thank you.